Greetings, chef. I'm gonna take you through a dish that will inspire you in a kitchen, especially with the miso, where it's been a staple in Japan for 1,300 years. Pretty cool, huh? Let's get into it. I have some fresh shrimp here. I have the Herbies Satay spice mix, which is full of coriander and cumin and fennel and just all kinds of unique, really floral ingredients. I'm gonna marinate it with this and some chopped garlic. Let's get into it. All right, give it a little dusting. Beautiful. Do a little chopped garlic. Half of what the recipe calls for, because we're gonna use that a little bit later. Let's get into it. It already smells yummy. Citrusy, herby. We got our shrimp all rubbed down. Let's cross the street over to the stove and get them seared off. Fire. Some trusty Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil. Just about 2 tablespoons, you don't need a lot. And we're just gonna give a little color on these, a little flip, put them in this bowl, save all those magnificent juices in the pan, because we're gonna go in with the rest of the mise en place and put the dish together. Let's go. Gorgeous. Okay, let's let it do its thing. About another 20 seconds. Beautiful. Caramelizing that garlic. Getting good color on the shrimp. Those spices are getting activated. Let's go in the bowl. See, you don't need a long time because they're gonna get married together in just a little bit. Amazing. You see all those juices in the pan? We're gonna collect all those with the shallots we're gonna put in next. Okay, we got all our mise en place over there. Let's grab our lemongrass and I'll show you how to bruise this. What I like to do is just kind of give it a nice little cut down the spine there. Not all the way through. With the back of your trusty knife at home, just hit it like that. Let's take it over. Lemongrass, our shallots, and our garlic. We'll wait until that's all nicely sauteed, then we'll go in with the miso. And we're picking up all those juices off the pan. We're releasing the lemongrass flavors. A little salt, a little pepper. Let's activate those flavors. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell the lemongrass. You can smell the garlic. I like to use about 6 inches sticks of lemongrass, because all we're doing is we're just slowly leaching those flavors in. If we were to just mince it up really small, it wouldn't cook as fast as the garlic and shallots do, right? So I like to use just long sticks. It almost seeps in there like tea. Great, okay. Let's get some miso in there. Miso's been a staple in Japan for 1,300 years. So just break up the miso, incorporate it in with everything else. The lemongrass, the shallots, and the garlics are all caramelizing so beautifully. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the satay mix to that mixture, and then we're gonna go in with everything else. Yummy. Let's go. That's okay if it's a little dry because you're toasting those spices. I'm gonna add my coconut milk first, and we're gonna cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. And all we're doing here is just bringing all the ingredients together. The slow roll, the coconut milk is gonna release even more of that lemongrass. Pat myself on the back. Doing pretty good. So far, so good. Okay, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. All those flavors are really joined together nicely. Now we're going to put our shrimp back in. And that's also gonna release flavor. Let's kind of marry all those together. Great. Now we're gonna do some brown sugar. Boom. Fish sauce. Boom. And let's just bring all those together before we add our lime juice. All right, let's hit it with a little bit of lime juice. Recipe calls for about juice of 1 lime. 2 minutes and we're ready to eat. Oh, magical. Wanted to reiterate too, at home, you could put this over rice, you could put this over ramen, you could put this over vegetables. It's just one of those super friendly dishes that are just elegant. Okay, let's get them plated. And then what I like to do, put a little stir stick in each one. I have some chiffonata Thai basil and cilantro, and it just opens this dish up. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It's really friendly, it's creamy, it's not too bold, and you can put it on a plethora of different things, noodles, rice, and vegetables. Try it at home.